Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and safe. Today I will share few tips how to set goals and achieve them. Being a minimalist, I have few very easy and basic rules to achieve goals. If you follow this, definitely you will achieve your goals in 2022. So in this video, I will talk about those rules and I will give you a flip through of this minimalist planner. So now let's talk about why I prefer minimalist planner when it comes to achieve your goals. So without further ado, let's jump onto the video. This planner is from Neora 1969. This is very minimalist planner. From the name Accomplish, you will get that this planner is only about focusing on your goals. You will get only exact those pages you need to achieve your goals. There are no unwanted pages which will overwhelm you. If you are beginner minimalist looking for only goal-oriented planner, then this planner is perfect for you. Along with this journal, you will get a reference where you will get everything written down how to use this planner. So you will have clear idea while writing this planner. First page you will see few affirmations. These affirmations I have been saying in the morning for years. In this planner you will see monthly goals, weekly and daily pages, notes for each week, monthly review pages, monthly budget pages, contacts, pages for passwords, and at last passion tracker pages. Lots of stickers are coming with this planner. Now let's see this planner in detail. Once you open the page, first page, you will see vision board. Whatever you want to achieve this year, paste those similar kind of photos in these two pages. Main purpose of the vision board is to look every day and work hard for your goals. Next page is monthly goals. You will get it for 12th month. Here you will see goals, things to do, health tracker and days for that month. Same format you will get for all months. Then you will see weekly and daily pages. Here you will get weekly goals, things to do, weekly habit tracker, accomplish, learning and gratitude. After every week, you will see notes. Here you can write about your plans in detail. Same format you will get for every month. And every month's end, you will get monthly review pages. There you can write about achievements, failure, memorable things happened, etc. And first only I talked about what are the pages you will get at the end. Now let's talk about how to set goals and how you can achieve them in 2022. First, simplify your goals and don't go with too many goals. I follow 4 areas of life RCHM, which is relationship, career, health and money. You can go with your own format. But for every area, you should choose only 4 goals. I have chosen more than 5 goals because I am used to these goals rules. I have been following this for years, so I know how to achieve goals. If you are a beginner or every year you are failing to achieve your goals, so follow these rules. Definitely you will succeed and eventually you will be expert in achieving goals. Now write down your goals. Here you can see for relationship, I have 3 goals. For career, I have 7 goals. For money, I have 8 goals. And for health, I have 4 goals. And I have selected other category where I am going to write down miscellaneous goals. So for every areas, try to select only 4 goals. Like this way, you will be very clear about what you want this year. And don't write too many things which will be very confusing for you to follow your goals. Try to be very clear about your goals. By the way, I have selected this passion tracker page to write my goals. Second point is divide your big goals into small goals. If you do this, there are very less chance to procrastinate and your big goal won't scare you and you won't get too much pressure to finish your goals and it is very nicely manageable. And when end of 2022 will come, you will see you have achieved your all goals without any hustle. Like this year, I want to be very consistent on YouTube. So every month I'll be uploading at least 6 videos. If I want to make 10 different digital planner in 2022. So in January, I will finish one type of digital planner. So divide your big goals into monthly goals. Now in things to do, I am writing those actions I need to take to fulfill my January's goal. So this is my monthly page looks like. I am going to use these days in this monthly page as my appointment day. So you can see 1st January I am going to take off. I am not going to do any work. 2nd January I have to make a very important call, and on 16th I have some important things to do. Here you can use those stickers or you can write. So this is how I am using this monthly page. Next point is ask why you want to achieve the goal. If you don't know why you want to achieve the goal, honestly, after some point you will get extremely tired and exhausted and feel like giving up your goals. It is very important to know why you want to achieve your goals. So ask yourself, if you don't achieve your goals, what you are going to lose? And if you achieve your goals, what you are going to gain? And last but very important point is focus on the process, not the result. Most of us don't enjoy the process, we always focus on the result. And when we see we are not getting the result, we feel discouraged. Whether it is making 5 lakhs per month or getting 50k followers on social media or establishing successful business, etc. You need to enjoy what you are doing. If you focus on the result, you will be having the mentality of living in the future and you will get more stress and pressure. Focus on the daily task, daily goals, monthly goals. Automatically you will get your result. So these are my minimalist tips to achieve your goals. If you have any queries or any suggestion, please comment down below. I'll be happy to help you. So start setting your goals and all the best for achieving your goals. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.